Imagine a city, a haven, where thinkers dwell. A sanctuary for the poet, the flutist, the storyteller, the heritage keeper, the dancer, the painter, the author, and the singer. A place where every art form thrives and flourishes. When one strays, they're gently guided back on path, and arrangements are made for their recovery. If one stumbles in the throes of dance, they're lovingly kissed and escorted to their rest. A lullaby is sung to soothe them. When a poet, akin to Ibn-e-Insha, contemplates ending his own life, a painter, as vibrant as Sadhu, immerses him in his colors. When someone falls ill, a singer, as melodious as Tansen, heals them with the rhythm of his music. When someone is on the brink of death, tears aren't shed. Instead, there's a celebration of the life lived and the new life the departed is about to give to the earth. Flowers bloom, birds chirp, and life goes on. Time isn't a constraint here. Socrates sips his poison under a banyan tree, a poison so bitter yet we yearn for its sweetness. When a new poet recites a fresh ghazal, people don't just applaud, they pour out their hearts. In this community, everyone wears the same attire. No one is superior based on their attire. All stand equal. One day, I'll compose a poem about your graying hair, those strands only touched and cherished by a scarf. After reciting my poem, you'll remove your scarf, and eventually the scarves within you. We'll all stand bare, recognizing each other beyond the physical, understanding the depth of every word spoken, every stroke painted, even those strokes drawn in the void, not just on canvas. This narrative flows from the pen of Saeed Sadhu, reminding us that this city isn't just a figment of imagination, but a possibility, a dream that can be realized with our collective efforts and shared love for art and humanity.